Guys, we're going to do a quick bike check here for you. Got a Leader 729 TRK V1.5, 55 centimeter in red. Got a landing gear fork, Sunringle SOS rim, laced to a Ringle hub with a Shimano quick release. Got the Seta Stumpy stem, Answer Pro taper bars with ODI grips and ODI bar ends. Got the Sagino 165 in length, 42 teeth cranks. Got a Truvative bottom bracket, can't see it. Foobar pedals with tramp strap straps. Pretty sturdy, had them for a while. Wide half link KMC chain. It's off the bike because I need to break it to fit the ratio. Random seat post. Seat's actually pretty comfy. It's good for long distance rides as well as tricking. Rear red You're Dead Chaos, laced to a Originate hub with all city cog and all city lock ring. Both the wheels are 26 with 1.5 tires. Yeah, that's my bike check.